And which mask should I wear?
You brought options?
Yes. This one. And
yeah, ugh, flowers.
what?
Definitely flowers.
I'm not gonna lie, these cookies were kind of a horrid process to make. They were just the messiest thing. I think I'm just a really inefficient and messy baker, so I just ended up getting stuff like flung everywhere. And I had batter on the floor, on the counters, on the table for days. This is actually my first time making cookies ever, and I think I might have challenged myself a little too much. But I mean, in the end, they tasted okay. I had a really hard time mixing in the dry ingredients with the wet. Honestly, I think a recipe called for too much flour, and I didn't really include any of the actual kneading process because that was truly a nightmare. But eventually I got it to somewhat hold together, and you can see where the dough started crumbling left and right, and that just continued the whole time. But the cookie cutters were super cute, and I was really happy with how they held their shape even though I didn't chill the dough. So that was a huge plus for this recipe. But it was really fun. I don't know if I'll do it again, but they're really cute and my dad liked them. So you know what? It's all good. I also decided to make some quick crab rangoons. They turned out only okay, but it was fun to use the air fryer with them, so that's a plus. And for lunch, Mr. Pingu sent me a generous heaping of sushi for my birthday, so that was very nice of him. Thank you!
You said you've been written up how many times? 12?
Yeah. My turn.
Yeah.
What is the plan between now and 3:30 to get these slides in order?
The first component of emotional intelligence that we'll discuss is self-awareness. Self-awareness is kind of a foundational component